Facebook and Instagram accounts can now be linked together in a new way for cross-platform messaging. Want to learn how to set it up? In this video I'll be showing you how to set up Facebook Messenger cross-platform messaging on Instagram. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. At the top, tap Update Messaging. Then tap Update at the bottom. The app should automatically detect the Facebook account you're signed into on that device. If it's showing the wrong account, tap Change to log into the Facebook account you want to link. At the bottom, tap Continue. Then tap Finish Setting Up. Once that's done, your accounts will be set up for cross-platform messaging. This will allow you to easily and seamlessly have conversations with your friends that are on Instagram and Messenger without them needing to have accounts on both. That's all it takes to set up Messenger cross-platform messaging for Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching my video.